D1 and E1, and this is O1. Same way for the top face, A, B, C, D and E, and mention the O here. Now to construct this second position top view, we will be following 3 steps here. Okay, to construct or right, you can say, second position top view. So this concept will be holds good for all the prisms and pyramids. First step is writing the outer boundary line. So outer boundary line we have to draw, that is from A1 to B1, B1 to C1. We need to connect it using the scale here. So just draw the straight lines connecting it, A1 to B1, B1 to C1, then C1 to C, then C to D, then D to E, then E to E1, then E1 to A1. So this forms an outer boundary line. Okay, now the second step is writing the visible faces and the edges. So we have to write or construct the visible faces or the edges. Okay, that is our second step. So visible faces and edges we will be constructing using continuous line. You can see as we are looking this diagram from the top view, this position. Okay, so as we look from the top view, so this face is visible, right? From the top view, this top face is visible. So which are the visible face? Here the top face is a pentagon. So we will be connecting all this with the continuous line here. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share it to maximum students so that they can be benefited. And this rectangular face also visible here, that is A to A1 and B to B1. So this also you connect it with a continuous line. Okay, now the third step is writing the hidden faces. Okay, so constructing the hidden, or you can say invisible faces and edges by dashed lines here. So we need to use the dashed lines here. Okay, say you can see here the bottom face of this pentagonal prism not visible, but already a part of the pentagon we have written with a continuous line. So here there is a concept called if there is a merging. Okay, if there is a merging of continuous line with the dashed line, we need to show only the continuous line here. Okay, if there is a merging of continuous line with the dashed line, we need to show only the continuous line here. We have to show the continuous line. That means we will be showing only a part of the pentagon with the dashed line here. You can say because already we have constructed a part of the pentagon with the continuous line. The remaining part, okay, the remaining part we will be constructing using the dashed line here. So try to join with the dashed line here. Okay, now this head is also not visible from the top view, that is D dash and D1 dash. As we try to write in the top view, it will be from D1 to D. Okay, that will be the dashed line here. Okay, now you can see here we need to write the finally the axis here, axis from O1 to O, but part of the axis I can show because there is already a dashed line there. Now the third position. Okay, now the type of the problem here, it is beta angle, because they have given axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degree and to VP at 30 degree. So for that angle line we have to draw like this. From their reference point I will consider and draw an angle line for 30 degree.